What's up guys? For today's video, our engine cadet will perform how to start and stop different machineries on board the ship. And the number one on the list is the main engine. How to prepare main engine prior departure? First, start the first standby diesel generator and synchronize. For starting diesel generator or auxiliary engine, start the diesel oil booster pump, and at the local side, put the handle to stop position and put the selector switch to local. Open the indicator valves or test cocks of cylinder unit number 1 to 6. Open the flywheel cover and turn the flywheel 3 to 5 turns. After turning, put the turning bar in place and put back the flywheel cover. Open the fuel pump's cover, then lubricate and exercise the fuel pump racks. Proceed to air blow by pushing the push button for 2 seconds. Close the indicator valves or test cocks of cylinder unit number 1 to 6. Put the handle to run position. For starting, push the start button again for 2 seconds and confirm that tachometer reached 900 RPM. Put the selector switch to remote side and check the parameters. The temperatures, pressures, and levels are in normal range. Also check for any abnormalities and leakages. Then wait for 10 to 15 minutes for warming up the generator. While waiting for 15 minutes, let's go back for preparation of main engine. Check the indicator valves or test cocks of main engine if open. Then turn the main engine flywheel for 20 to 30 minutes. Turn on the main engine turning gear, switch to remote, and operate the remote control until the turning gear match to the flywheel gear. Then, engage the turning gear and switch the selector switch to panel and push the forward button for turning. Start the main engine HPS pump and start the preload or cylinder lubrication at engine control room main operating panel or MOP. While waiting for main engine turning to finish, synchronize the 2 generators. There are 2 ways of synchronizing: automatic and manual synchronizing. Engine cadet do the manual synchronizing. At the generator control panel at engine control room, press the manual button. Put the synchroscope selector switch to the generator you want to synchronize. Check that the frequency of incoming generator is slightly higher than the frequency of running generator. For adjusting frequency, operate the governor motor switching handle to lower or raise. Confirm that the rotation of synchroscope indicator is slowly and in clockwise direction. Pull the air circuit breaker or ACB control handle and switch to close position if the synchroscope rotating pointer reach at exactly 11 to 12 PM mark. After air circuit breaker or ACB closed, put the synchroscope selector switch to off position. and proceed to load sharing. Operate the governor motor handle and slowly raise the load of incoming generator, and at the same time also operate the governor motor handle of running generator and gradually lower the load until the load of two generators are distributed equally. Then, change over the valves from diesel oil line to fuel oil line. For changing over of valves from diesel oil to fuel oil, first, open the fuel oil outlet valve. Number 2, close the diesel oil outlet valve. Number 3, open the fuel oil inlet valve. And last, close the diesel oil inlet valve. After changing over the valves, go back to main engine. Stop and disengage the turning gear. Stop the main engine HPS pump. Open the air bottle or air reservoir air supply valve to main engine. And drain the air bottle for water content. Open the main air starting valve. And remove the cover in main engine turbocharger. Then, go back to engine control room and inform second engineer or first assistant engineer that the main engine is ready for air blow. After air blow, close the indicator valves or test cocks of cylinder unit number 1 to 6. And the main engine is ready for testing ahead and astern at engine control room and wheel house. And ready for the departure to the next port.